In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect feedback with check-ins in Basecamp. If you're looking for a simple way to gather structured input without chasing people, automatic check-ins are made for this. They let you ask a question on a schedule and collect every response in one tidy place inside your project, so you can review and discuss without digging through chats or emails. Here's how it works from start to finish. Inside your project, open the Automatic Check-ins tool and click the button labeled New Question. You'll see a field where you can type exactly what you want people to respond to. Make it specific and actionable, like, "What feedback do you have on this draft?" Clear questions lead to more helpful answers, so include just enough context for people to understand what you're asking about. Next, set the frequency. If you only need feedback once, choose the one-time option. This is perfect for a single draft review or a quick pulse check. If you want ongoing feedback cycles, pick daily, weekly, or monthly. Weekly works well for recurring reviews or regular status updates, while monthly can be great for bigger picture input. Think about how often you truly need insights to avoid fatigue and keep responses thoughtful. Then, choose who should be asked. You can send the check-in to everyone on the project or hand-pick specific participants. Targeting a smaller group can reduce noise and encourage higher quality replies, especially when you only need input from certain stakeholders. After that, set the time for the check-in to be sent. Pick a time that aligns with your team's schedule and time zones. A consistent send time helps people form a habit of responding, and you're more likely to get thoughtful feedback when the request arrives during normal working hours. When everything looks good, click Save or Start to activate it. Basecamp will deliver the question at the scheduled time, and teammates can reply right inside the project. All responses are automatically gathered in the check-in thread, so you can scroll through them in context. Use the thread to reply to specific answers, ask follow-up questions, and keep the conversation connected to the original prompt without scattering it across multiple places. That's all you need to collect structured feedback with automatic check-ins in Basecamp. Write a clear question, choose the right cadence, send it to the right people at the right time, and let the thread keep everything organized. It's a lightweight system that helps you get better input faster, with less coordination and cleaner follow-through.